Alright, let's get real. Financial freedom. It's a phrase that gets thrown around a lot, isn't it? It sounds like one of those dreams they sell you in late-night infomercials, right? Promising you the world, yachts, and mansions with just a simple phone call. But here's the thing, and this is crucial to understand. It's not actually a secret club reserved for the elite. It's not some hidden society where only a select few are granted access. It's a series of steps, a climb, and anyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation, can start climbing. It might seem daunting at first, but each step you take brings you closer to the summit. Let's break down the secrets to financial freedom, the actionable strategies that most people just won't tell you. These aren't complex formulas or insider trading tips. They're fundamental principles that, when applied consistently, can transform your financial life. First up, forget about getting rich quick. Seriously, erase that phrase from your vocabulary. The people who really win with money, the ones who achieve lasting financial security, play the long game. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Start tracking every single dollar that comes in and goes out. Know where your money is going. Seriously, open your bank app right now if you can. Scroll through your last 10 purchases, take a good hard look and ask yourself, did I really need that? Was that a conscious decision or an impulse buy? Awareness is step one. You can't fix a problem you don't know you have. Next, pay yourself first. This is non-negotiable. I used to think this was just a cute catchphrase, something personal finance gurus said to sound smart. But no. Before you pay rent, before you buy groceries, before you even think about entertainment, set aside a piece of every paycheck, no matter how small, for your future. Treat it like a bill you absolutely have to pay. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account. Even if it's just $5 or 10, those little wins snowball over time thanks to the power of compounding. Here's another secret. Invest early, even if it's tiny amounts. Don't wait until you think you have enough money. Compound interest is magic. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak tree. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest later to reach your financial goals. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Don't wait for the perfect time because trust me, life doesn't hand out perfect moments. There will always be reasons to procrastinate, but the best time to start is always now. Now let's talk about debt, the silent killer of freedom. It can slowly suffocate your financial dreams if you're not careful. Not all debt is evil. Debt like a mortgage or a student loan can be investments in your future, but high-interest debt? That stuff's like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Make a plan to pay it off, starting with the highest interest first. Attack it with a vengeance. You'll literally buy back your future, one payment at a time. Imagine the relief of being debt-free. Multiple streams of income, this is a game changer. It's like having a financial safety net. Don't just rely on your job as your sole source of income. That's putting all your eggs in one basket. Side hustles, online gigs, the possibilities are endless in today's digital world. A creative passion project, something you genuinely enjoy doing. These can all add up, creating a powerful financial foundation. The internet has blown the doors wide open, creating unprecedented opportunities for young adults to make money in ways our parents never even imagined. It's a whole new landscape of possibilities. But here's the biggest secret, the most important takeaway. Nobody cares about your money as much as you do. Not your bank, they're looking out for their bottom line. Not your boss, they're focused on the company's success. Not even your friends, they have their own financial lives to worry about. So you have to be your own advocate. You have to take ownership of your financial future. Read, learn, ask questions, even the dumb ones. There's no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to your money. The more you know, the more confident you get in making smart financial decisions. Knowledge is power. And finally, don't wait for someday. Don't keep putting it off until you have more time or feel ready. The best time to start is right now, today. Even if it's just opening a savings account or reading one article about investing. Financial freedom isn't about having millions in the bank, it's about having choices, the freedom to live life on your own terms, and that starts with one small step today. One small step can lead to a giant leap. If you got value from this, if this resonated with you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join me here at Bright Facts. We're building a community of financially empowered individuals. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. They'll appreciate the sacrifices you made and the steps you took to secure their financial well-being. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one. And remember, Your financial freedom journey starts now.